Hey guys, Jared here again, aka The Laughing Man. So for the channel, I've decided that I've been using the same camera long enough. I want to do motor vlogging, so I've been using cameras like my Insta360 X3, my my current helmet-mounted camera is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So there's a new Hero 13 Black that just came out. I don't know if it's actually released to the public or not yet, but it is out. DJI is coming out with their new Action 5 camera, but that's more than I really want to spend for what is essentially a disposable camera for me. So I'm going to be replacing this camera, which right now my current setup is a microphone going in here, up, and then on the inside of the helmet there's a lavalier microphone in there. It's just kind of cumbersome, kind of a pain in the ass. There's no Bluetooth connectivity or anything like that on the camera for audio. So you're going to get rid of this for a second. Helmet over here. Because I didn't want to spend a lot of extra money on a new camera, you can get one of these DJI Action 4s, which is still the most current action camera that they sell. The 5's coming out, but it's not out yet. But a lot of the moto vloggers have been using these. I've heard nothing but good things. My current camera that I'm using right now, which is the Osmo Pocket 3, Pocket 3. You know, love that camera. My microphones are the DJI Mic 2s. I've got 3 of them. Gotta keep buying stuff that has them. The connectivity, the wireless connectivity and stuff works really well. I like the drones, all that other stuff. So when I bought this, I didn't buy the creator combo with extra batteries and stuff like that. You can buy this for a lot cheaper than what you can buy the combo pack for. So this is like $260 right now. So let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so $260, you get this outer case. Oh, looks like it's going to be an Apple style unboxing. Little pull tab. Okay. I haven't watched any unboxing videos or anything. I know it's been out for a while, but alright, so this feels like it's just going to be accessories or something. Camera. Silica gel. A QR code, probably for registration or something. Nope, an application called Light Kit, all in Chinese. Alright, so that is it in the box. Set that over there for now. Alright, so in the accessories pack, and again, this is just the standalone camera. So in the accessories pack that you get with the standalone camera, you get all your manuals, paper box. This is a USB-C to USB-C. A thumb screw looks like in here. If I can get it out. Put the slide off. Yep, so there's a thumb screw. These are the style that I like. I don't like the quad styles. The 2 wing styles just gives you more torque on them. So got one of those. Like I said, USB-C, USB-C. Quite a bit of stuff in here for $260. Let's see here. Where are these? Looks like a lens cover of some kind. Okay, so this is some kind of lens protector. It says if you know it's damaged, replace it. I'm assuming these are just the adhesive stickers for it. So here's the battery, and it's a lot bigger than the batteries in my Hero 7. I think it's the 8 and 9s also use the same batteries. So these are supposed to give some pretty decent battery life. This here is going to be a helmet mount. So I've got a bunch of these laying around. I'm looking at getting a new helmet, so I will probably need another one of these. So we'll see how that fits on whatever helmet I get. And because I always lose them, I just like to keep the bolts and the mounts. This is the part that I'm most excited about. Alright, so this is the maglock adapter, and of course the cage that also comes with it. So it goes one way, which the new GoPro 13 also now has a mag connector like this that's dual sided, so that's pretty cool. But we'll give this one a try. Right, so that's the cage. If anybody knows me, they know that I like cages. However, I typically like them because you usually have a cold shoe adapter that you can put stuff on. So, alright, now time for the camera itself. Alright, here we go. Here is the new camera. Alright, so it's a f2.8 lens, a 113 or 1/3, sorry, sensor, and it looks like it's got a 155-degree field of view. Right. So I've never actually used one of these before, so I'm looking at all this first time. So here's the USB-C connector on the left-hand side door. Alright, so here we have the micro SD card slot and the battery. Let's see if the battery is charged at all. I did order 2 additional batteries and a charging box. So, power button on the left side. Alright, so you can tell right here, it's got a touchscreen on the front as well as on the back. What I like about this is I can use this with my wireless microphone, so I don't have to remove, like on this GoPro here. So I've got to plug it in. Oh, how many times I've had to turn this damn thing off? It's another issue is this one likes to just turn itself back on. Alright. So to be able to record decent audio, you have to buy the large case for it. You've got to remove your water seal to expose your USB-C and your micro HDMI port, and then you also have to buy this big audio adapter, which also gives you USB-C pass-through, but for some reason mine doesn't do data transfer as well. So I still have to unplug it back out of the camera, plug it into the computer, download, because I don't like using the GoPro Quick app. So size-wise, no cage or anything like that. I'll go ahead and turn this off. Let's see here. So it's came with 50% battery, but right. So size-wise, with the current model 4 and the Hero 7 Black, it's a little bit bigger. However, the newer 11, 12, and now the 13 are actually bigger than this one. So this is actually smaller and lighter. But because I don't need the big cage and all that other stuff, I'll probably just use this one just for the extra protection. Put it in the right way. All right, so now it's got some edge protection. Obviously, if you drop it directly on the screen, it's probably still going to break it, but that's cameras. That's what they do. All right. So now I can put just this on my helmet, which I'll do here in a second. And now I can just run a lavalier to my microphone. And there's two ways that I can go about this. So, let's see. So I'm still going to need, one second. All right, so I'm still going to need my little J arm here that I assembled years ago. It just kind of follows me from helmet to helmet. But so you're still going to need that on the front, like normal. Then you can take your new Hero, or sorry, your new Action 4. I can do this without dropping the camera. All right, so now this is on here. It's by itself. I can all right, I'm going to take a little bit to get used to it. All right, so now that the J arm is on here and the magnetic mount is just on here, I can take my camera, snap it in place. Now this is all attached. So what I have is the magnet for my DJI mic. Is actually I taped it to the side because I would plug this into the mic and record direct audio onto my mic. Unfortunately, with the wireless mode, I tend to get a little bit of static and some noise that I don't really like, so I'll test it out with this, see if it still does it on this when the camera is as close as this to it. But I can actually just take the mic itself and move this magnet to the inside of the helmet and just magnetize the entire microphone to the inside. That way I don't have to worry about any wires breaking or anything like that, so this will probably all just disappear. But the other thing is that I'm going to try, because I have a Cardo, because I already have a Cardo in here with Bluetooth, I might be able to just connect the audio directly from this to the camera. The only issue being, when I tried this before with, can't remember which camera I did it with, I think it was my X3, it had a hard time switching between the phone audio and the Cardo audio, so we'll see how all that goes. So just a quick little unboxing and first view of the new camera. Like I said, I'm still looking at getting a better helmet. I don't think any of this is going to help with the wind noise as much as I would like, but yeah, this sedici or sedici, however you want to pronounce it, helmet, it's one of the modular ones. It is absolute trash because even with the visor down and the chin bar down and everything, I just get so much wind noise in here. So, but I am looking at two separate helmets, and you probably already saw the video for that to see which one I'm going to pick. But if not, we'll come up with that later. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas that can make this a little bit better, let me know. Other than that, this should be hopefully a clean wireless setup that will hopefully do well for me. Again, you guys, if you have any comments, anything that you'd like to see on the channel, just let me know. Thanks, guys.